Welcome back to Bags on the Go. I'm in the Caballero. Feels so good. Just got it aligned here at A&J Auto, right off 8 Mile, right down the street from my shop. They work on all of my cars when it comes down to the alignments and a few things that I don't mind passing their way to help me out on. But I'm about to take this thing down 8 Mile real quick. Take it to the shop. I might have to cut these fenders. They told me it's still hidden, so thought the lineman was gonna pull it out the way just a little bit, but not the case. So we about to go ahead and hop on the road real quick so I can record and get back to the shop, just so you can see how she rolls down the road. I think I'm gonna put that other steering wheel I got from Box Chevy P. That steering wheel I got from Box Chevy P, I think I might put that. I don't know if y'all can hear the exhaust when I was riding, but when you get on it, you can hear it just sing a little bit. Oh. So now I gotta drain this fuel that I put in it, because I gotta change my the pump that's in the gas tank. I think that pump ain't no good, so we gotta change that. I'm waiting on my fuel pressure to put on the fuel lines up front to see if I'm getting all of my fuel pressure. But when we was doing the tune, it was asking for 40% more fuel to dump in it, and that can't be good. The bowl inside the gas tank could be going dry and not actually returning into it to keep it, keep it juiced up so the fluids can keep running through. So we gonna see. But in the meanwhile, I put that thing on full during the tune because I didn't want a fuel problem. So now I gotta drain that fuel out. Everything else is working fine, shifting good. My trans that I built this harness for was for a 4L60, because I had a 4.3, that I 4.6 or 4.3, one of them that I had got rid of, that I started building. So I had the harness made for a 4L60. So since I got rid of that, I still had this harness, and I totally forgot. So when we went to go tuning, I always knew I had 2 plugs on the side of my 4L80 that I only had 1 plug for, but I didn't think nothing of it. But during tuning, we can tell the VVS wasn't getting the signal. It was saying it was a bad one, and so that's what made me look into why I wasn't getting my 4th gear, because it'll go all the way through 1, 2, 3, and then 3 just it wouldn't go into 4th at all whatsoever. So I had to order this kit. That gives you the wires to pin into 22 and 23, and then that plugs in the front plug on the transmission, and you wire that into the computer, and then it's an extension to go on the trans side. So it sucks. Let me show y'all something. This is not. If I had fender flares on this car, I wouldn't mind it, but I'm eating up my fenders here. So let me show y'all something. This is not. If I had fender flares on this car, I wouldn't mind it, but I'm eating up my fenders here. So I'm gonna have to cut there. Didn't want to do it. But I gotta do it. So I'm just go ahead, and then this side is doing the same thing. So I'm gonna have to just cut right here. It's ugly. It's gonna be ugly, but it's gonna be something that I gotta do, and I just gotta do it because 22 is gonna stay on it. So what do you want me to do? It's a whole lot, y'all. A whole lot with this car, but I ain't been worried about getting this car up on the road yet. Plans fell short, and last thing I'm gonna do is rush anything. So now I'm just cruising. There's a couple car shows I could take this to. So I could take it out to Chicago, Midwest Fest. I don't even wanna. I'm not Midwest Fest. LS Fest. I don't even know if I'm interested to take it out there. I done done that a couple of years back to back, so I'm kind of burnt out on that just a little, but we'll see where I end up taking this thing. It's pretty much just now getting out on the road, so I can drive it now. So what comes to that is fixing all the problems you may run into. People don't know about that other part. Yeah, it's fine and dandy when you're building them, but you gotta put them to the test. And when you put them to the test, best believe you gotta have that bag in the car. You gotta have them tools. Anything is bound to go wrong. You better have a screwdriver on. You better have a socket set. You better have it all. Extension, a pry bar. I'm telling you, you never know. You look up under this car, something loose. You better be able to have it in the bag, or you call them the tow truck. But I'm gonna bring the tools because that's all it is. You fix it, you back on the road like nothing will fail. So, I mean, I don't think I'm searching for any problems, but you gotta drive the car to figure it all out. Things happen out the blue all the time. So I'm about to get this thing in the air real quick so I can, I could probably just turn the wheel, put a cover over the tire, turn the wheel, hit it, and it'll be done. I just gotta, it's touching the bottom. Sucks, I did not want to do this. I don't even want to show y'all I'm doing this. I'm just gonna turn the camera back on and it's gonna be chopped because it's nasty. It's ugly. Alright, so I gotta go ahead and get into it. Wham, wham, wham. That wasn't even all that bad. I did all of that. All that whining. All I did was just chop off pretty much the bottom corner. I'm gonna show you. So from this side, you can see it right there. You can't really tell. I chopped it, but that's what I had to take off right there. Should have did it a long time ago. Hard-headed, y'all. Hard-headed. The only thing I'm worried about, I'm about to take it out and see if it hits right there. It shouldn't, but we're going to see. I'm about to take it around in the parking lot real quick. That don't look bad at all. Can't even tell. So let me go ahead and make a lap parking lot real quick. And if it ain't rubbing, then we're good. I don't hear anything. Let me make this turn right here. Nope. Nothing. Nice and smooth. You want to go up and down and around all these little turns. It's good. Yep, so all I had to do is put a little chop on it. Little chop. Let me take it down the street now to Mako and show them what they did. Not bad. Not bad at all. These moments right here is everything. These are my very first drives right here. And now I'm just trying to stay on camera in them because everything is running good now. So we gotta get it out on the road. And I want to show y'all. I built this car from nothing. Never drove it. So now I'm in it. It's enjoyable. I did all of this. Makeup. This is where it all goes down. Alright, so I just showed the guys. They walk around and say, wow. When it's all said and done, wow. So, if you're wondering who did this pearl white paint, who did the pearl white paint, Mako did. See their phone number. This is 8 Mile, that's Farmington up there. Back that way is Merriman. Those Cirons are so cool, those electric lights. They got the fresh new parking lot. Yeah, these call for good photos. It's only right. It's only right.